Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see another example for NFA to DFA using subset construction method. So this is the given NFA. Now we need to construct the transition table for NFA. So this is the NFA transition table. The states are Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Q0 is start state and Q3 is a final state. Input symbols are 0 and 1. From Q0, 0 goes to Q0 and Q1. From Q0, 1 goes to Q0. From Q1, 0 goes to Q2, 1 goes to Q1. From Q2, 0 goes to Q3, 1 also. From Q3, there is no 0 transition and 1 goes to Q2. Now we can construct DFA in subset construction method. If NFA has we already know about the set of states of DFA. If NFA has n number of states, then DFA will have 2 to the power n number of states in worst case. Okay, so here NFA has 4 states. So DFA will have 16 states, but not all the 16 states are accessible from the start state. So we can start constructing the set of states of DFA from the start state. It is not necessary to construct all the subset. Then finally we have to consider only the accessible state. Instead of that, here the number of states are 4. If the number of states of the NFA is 5 or 6 means again the set of states will be very large for DFA. So in order to instead of constructing all the subsets from the NFA, we can construct only the accessible states. So first we have to start with the start state. So if Q0 is a start state of NFA, then set Q0 is a start state of DFA. And the input symbols are 0 and 1. So from Q0, 0 goes to Q0 and Q1. And it is considered as a single state. Then Q0, 1 goes to Q0. One goes to Q0. Then from Q0, the newly introduced status Q0, Q1. So in the next step, we are going to construct transition for Q0, Q1. And from Q0, 1 goes to Q0, that we have already written. So Q0, Q1 and 0. So we need to perform just union operation of Q0, 0 union Q1, 0. So union of Q0, Q1, Q2 is Q0, Q1 and Q2. Whenever a new state is introduced, we have to write it in the left side. Then only we will not miss anything. Then from Q0, Q1, 1 goes to Q0, Q1. So Q0, Q1 and 1 means we have to perform union operation of Q0, 1 and Q1, 1. So union of Q0 and Q1 is Q0, Q1. Then Q0, Q1 is already found. Then in next step, Q0, Q1, Q2 and 0. So perform union operation of Q0, 0, Q1, 0 and Q2, 0. So union of Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. All these will give Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Since this state is a new state, we have to write it as a row, new row. Then Q0, Q1, Q2, comma 1. So Q0, 1 union Q1, 1 union Q2, 1. So union of Q0, Q1, Q3 will give Q0, Q1, Q3. And Q0, Q1, Q3 is a new state. So we have to write. Then Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 and 0. So Q0, 0, Q1, 0, Q2, 0, union Q3, 0. Union of all these. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. and this is already written. Then Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 and 1. So union of all these. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and this is already written. Now Q0, Q1, Q3 and 0. So Q0 0 union Q1 0 union Q3 0. So union of these three. Q0, Q1, Q2 union 5 is Q0, Q1, Q2. Q0, Q1, Q2, and this is already written. Then Q0, Q1, Q3 and 1. So Q0 1 union Q1 1 union Q3 1. So delta of Q0 1 is Q0 and so Q0 union Q1 union Q2. Q0 Q1 Q2. Q0 Q1 Q2, and this Q0 Q1 Q2 is already written. So now we have made the so no new states are introduced. So DFA has 5 states. So instead of 2 to the power 4, that is 16, instead of 16 states we have constructed only the accessible states. They are, that is 5 states. So now we have to mark all the 5 tupules. We have to consider here the start state is Q0, sigma is 0 comma 1. Set of states are all the 5 states. Final state, now we need to mark the final state. Here the final state is Q3. So all the set which are having Q3 is a final state for DFA. So this is not having Q3. So this set is having Q3. This is also. So these are the final states, and we have made the delta transition as a table. Now we can construct the transition diagram for this. So DFA transition diagram. Q0 is a start state. Then from Q0, 0 goes to Q0, Q1. And from Q0, 1 goes to Q0. From Q0, Q1, 0 goes to Q0, Q1, Q2. Q0, Q1, Q2. And from Q0, Q1, 1 goes to Q0, Q1. Then from Q0, Q1, Q2, 0 goes to Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. And this is a final state. Then from Q0, Q1, Q2, 1 goes to Q0, Q1, Q3. This is also a final state. Q0, Q1, Q3. So from Q0, Q1, Q2, 1 goes to Q0, Q1, Q3. From Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, both 0 and 1 go to self state Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Then from Q0, Q1, Q3, 0 goes to Q0, Q1, Q2. 1 also goes to Q0, Q1, Q2. So this is the equivalent DFA diagram, for this given NFA. Thank you.